Hello, you're on my channel where each of my cross-stitch designs is a big story for me, which is placed in one short video. I want to show you how much preparation work I do to present my new design. Come up with a design, make a pattern, cross-stitch, and it's good if everything works out the first time. Then no less complicated process of photo shoot and video filming, editing, writing texts, and I do all this myself. But no matter how difficult it is, I get higher from the every stage of this process. Thank you for being here. Then I am glad to present you the beginning of my new cross-stitched fairy tale. I think from the sceneries that I made. You guessed what kind of the fairy tale I started to create. So far only 2 characters are ready, but how charismatic they are. The most interesting is ahead. Subscribe and enjoy watching. The Cheshire Cat was inspired by my cat. He closely watched the whole process and exhaustedly fell asleep at his work. As always, all the toy designs featured in the video are available for purchase from my Etsy store. Thank you for your time and see you on the channel.